Hi, and welcome to this quick tool review. This time around we have another flashlight that we're taking a look at. So when SOFIRN reached out, I of course said yes, because how could I ever turn down reviewing a flashlight if it looks like it's decently made, which this one definitely does. And I hadn't heard of this company either, but I hadn't heard of Olight before I ran across them, and their lights are fantastic. This one looks every bit in the same category of high quality CNC machine parts. So let's open this guy up and see what's inside. On the one hand, I always appreciate nice packaging. On the opposite side, it's such a horrible waste for the landfills, so I'm very mixed on the topic. They cover some basic specs on the flashlight and back. I guess this was designed for the retail space. I just cut this open. I haven't opened it either. Looks like they're using a similar method to Apple and the Olight packaging technique. So you've got an inner piece with a plastic cover with a warning. Flashlight comes locked by default. Please press 3 times to unlock before using, or lock it out. Also remove the protective film. I assume it's going to potentially get hot and could damage it. Now this flashlight is very, very different than the other flashlights I've looked at. They've got a bunch of variations. It can be mounted on a necklace, which they give you the ring. It's magnetic, and there's a magnetic clip mount here, as well as something to go around your wrist or a key ring. I've never seen a flashlight quite like this one. USB-C charging. This is USB-C to USB-C. Got a manual and the flashlight, which is insanely small. Look at the size of this guy. Their measurements are 30 millimeter by 14 millimeter. 25.4 millimeters is an inch, so this is just over an inch. And just over half an inch, because obviously 25.4, that would make it like 12 point something to be half an inch. So this is just over half an inch. Boy, it is tiny, but it's got a high capacity output. Here's the protective film they tell us to remove. Again, fixed lenses, which I really like. This flashlight has a bunch of different modes. So it's got the spot mode, it's got a UV light, and it's got an RGB various mode flashlight as well, so that you can use this as a signaling flashlight when you're running. Like if you've got this clipped on your shirt, you can use it at night, clipped on your shirt, or magnetically attached to something you're working on, which would be how I would use all this. This thing is so small, I think it might be too small to use at work, which is very interesting. Warns you there's a magnet there. Let's see, what do we have? We have 4 different light modes. So in 300 lumen output, you get 300 lumens for 1 minute, followed by 75 lumens for 41 minutes. Or you can do 75 lumens for 44 minutes. 15 lumens for 3 hours and 35 minutes. Moonlight mode, 2 lumens for 10 hours and 24 minutes, which is pretty amazing. The LED ring light, which I'm zooming, is this guy right here. You can either have it in red, which is 2 hours and 42 minutes, breathing, which I guess it goes from like dark to slowly getting bright to full bright and then back down, kind of like you see on a lot of electronic equipment these days. That's 2 hours, 3 minutes. Warning flash, 3 hours, 52 minutes, almost 4 hours. And rainbow for 2 hours and 2 minutes. The UV is 120 milliwatts, will last for 33 minutes. That pretty much covers the max output. Like I said, was 300 lumens, which is insane, such a small flashlight. They claim that's visible for 76 meters, which, flip that to our weird units, and you're talking about a little over 200 feet away. You should be able to see this guy as a signaling light. So that's pretty impressive. The company is SOFIRN. This is the SE1 EDC, and it only goes for $18. I don't know how they could manufacture it for so little. It's CNC machined aluminum with plastic bezels, but really well made. Lithium-ion battery built in, USB-C charging. There is for the lanyard for your key ring for this guy right here. Obviously magnetic for a clip. Has a very nicely strong magnet or combination of magnets. First, we're going to charge it, and then we'll power this guy up. All right, so this flashlight tries to do a lot with very little. It's got a million modes, all done with one button, which I'm not a huge fan of because it's a lot to try and remember. Plus, you always get kind of confused what mode you're in. I suppose you could memorize all this. It's not, it's like 10 different things or something like that, but it's an awful lot. I'd rather they had the rotary dial and a push button. That would be my preference. But when it comes locked. So that double flash means it's locked. So you click this button 3 times to unlock. 1, 2, 3. And you are in low power out mode. We're in moon mode right now. And if I press and hold, it goes through all 4 brightness settings. There's the second one, third one, and the one that only lasts a short period of time. And then you can turn it off. Then, once it's off, if you double click, you get UV. And there is only one UV mode on this guy. And you turn that off. Then, last but not least, if you double click with the power off, nope, that is not it, I'm sorry. Oh, press and hold with the power off, you're in RGB mode. So here's the first mode. It's breathing different colors. This would be good for jogging at night, although red might be the best. Double click for next mode. That might be the best at night. Flashing, catch some attention of some onlookers. Reasonably bright. There is rainbow. That's kind of pretty. There must be quite a few LEDs around here to be able to do what they're doing. That's kind of interesting. Last but not least, just plain red. So for mounting in the wristband, it can go in any of 4 positions, which is good because you never know which way you're going to want it. It has a clip, and in addition to the clip, you have the wristband, which you can feed through the center here. Okay, so there's the light. You could, if you're right-handed, which I am not, you could have the light on and work on something while the light's pointing right there. By the way, this color ring, when it's not in RGB mode, like what's in flashlight mode, like it is right now, as I guess you can see that, that indicates the charge level. So it goes from green to red through various stages to let you know how bright the light is. This guy they have some keepers here to hold this. I guess you could slide those onto the other side first, and then this could tuck in there, or you could flip it over and tuck it under that way. Simple friction clasp for this guy, and it is elastic. So pretty cool. As you can see, you could use it that way. This is a very creatively designed flashlight. I often at nighttime use the moonlight mode, and it's plenty of light to see to walk by in once your eyes are accustomed to the dark, which is kind of cool because you get a really long life expectancy out of the battery from that mode. So my overall take on this multifunction masterpiece is that it weighs merely 20 grams. It's extremely light, extremely small form factor, extremely versatile. Rather than have a single button to control absolutely every possible mode, I would prefer to have a rotary dial and a single button, but that's a small quibble. The quality is excellent. It's all machined aluminum, non-replaceable battery, USB-C chargeable, extremely light, extremely small. This is just slightly over 1 inch, or 30 millimeters by 30 millimeters by 14, so a little over 1 by 1 by 1/2. It comes with a necklace, which is not, going to last a long time. Comes with the keychain, key ring attachment, a wrist attachment, and a clip. It mounts in 4 different directions on the clip. I'm glad they thought of that. It's magnetic. You can also attach it to something else magnetically. Bottom line is, for the price, which is 18 bucks, this is an incredibly good deal for such a well-made flashlight. In high output mode, you don't get a long run at 300 lumens, but at 75 lumens, which is plenty, here is low, medium, that's 75 lumens right there. You still, at 75 lumens, get 44 minutes runtime, and then turbo, you only get a very short period of time. I wouldn't use that. That's actually so bright that it's hard for my eyes to see and focus what I'm doing. It actually blows out the dynamic range of my eyes. So you would only use that if you're trying to see something far away. So bottom line, give it a thumbs up. It's a really well-made flashlight and a really good deal for 18 bucks. Thanks for watching. Hope you find it useful. Hope to see you next time.